All right. Okay. I hope everybody's ready for this raffle draw, right? You're ready for the raffle draw? So what we're going to do is, because we're Yoruba, we're going to call on the wife of the Igbo president. Come over here and come and pull something out of this thing for us. It's not because she's my sister, it's just that she's sat right in front of me and she's the wife of the Igbo president. So here you come. Okay, can you please introduce yourself? Ladies and gentlemen, can we have your attention, please? This one that you are shouting in the back, if I call your ticket and you don't come, that's your business, oh. Okay, 4. What's the first one there, lady? Oh, what is that? Okay, there's a Wakanda present over there, a prize over there. So for the first one, we're going to hand inside the koloba. Mix it around. There you go. What number is that? That's a blue 07. One would think maybe I planned it. My Ross, how you doing now? That's your prize over there. Well done. He's always winning. Oh yeah, next one. No, blue. Black. B05. Black. B05. Okay, what have we got? What have we got? Black. B05. Over here, please. Pick up your prize over there. That's all right. That's all right. Take your time. Take your time. All right. What else have we got coming now? What else do we have? What do we have? All right. Thank you. Next one. Okay, we have B05 blue. No. One table. Okay, we'll share it. B05 blue. Thank you. Yeah. No problem now. Okay. Next one. What do we have? Oh, we have a surprise bag. This is B09 in the blue. B09 in the blue. One table. So yeah. Next one, please. What do we have there? Okay. Yep. B46, not the front table. And she was just stood here, just waiting for your number to go. Look at this. A round of applause. Thank you. She was just stood here waiting for the number to be called. There you go, there you go. Lovely. Oh my. Oh, well done. Okay. Let's have the next one. What do we have? What do we have? Oh, lovely. Office cup. B82. It's getting further away from you, isn't it? B82. Blue. Yusuf, you're not going to win anything here tonight. If your number come up, I'll stamp on it. B82. Olójúorú. Yeah, there you go. Lovely cocktail here. Hot and cold it is. Hot and cold. Okay. Let's have another one, please. What do we have? What do we have? Black B24. Black B24. Black B24 going once. Going twice. Gone. Black B03. Black B03. Let's go. Come along. Come along. It's not too far to walk now. B03. Black. Yes, there you go. Thank you. That's blue. B98. B98. 98. Blue, that's it. Blue 98 going once. Blue 98 going twice. Blue 98 gone. Blue B74. B74 blue. Okay, come along. We need to speed this up a little bit. Same family, second one. There's competition for you over there. Eh? Your ticket stops when you put your seat beside you. Well done, darling. Okay, let's have another one. Blue B02. Blue. What is that? 3-2. Eh? All right, next one. Thank you. Black. B32 black. B32 black. That's the second one for that table as well. Hey. Okay, has he got the same thing again? No, he had that before. Next one's 4. Alright, let's go for the next one. This pink is not coming out though. Purple, B70. B70, purple. B70, purple. Sorry, choose another one. Black, B18, B18, black, B18. There we go. Well done. There you go, man. Lovely. We're going for the next one. Let's move this along. Blue. B11. Black, B94. Black, B94. Ah, well done. Okay, get your prize on. All right, so we're now down to how many have we got left? We have 3 prizes left. And this is the big money tickets. Take all the blues out. All the blues from 1 to 20, I'm taking them out. We have purple, B04. I like. We're going for the bag now. Just in case he's looking inside the box. No, don't look. Oh yeah. What have you got? This is pink or red? Red. B06. Red, B06. Okay. Well done, man. Welcome. Well done. All right. So we have the grand prize. We have the most important one. B48 purple. Congratulations, Yusuf Abubakar. Congratulations, my friend. Hey. Okay. Don't forget to call Mr. BC Corporate whenever you want any IT business. That's what it is. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's the way the draw went tonight. Thank you. The more tickets you buy, the better the chance it is to win.